I want a TJ. So I've been working on this awesome XJ right there. But if I am to have a TJ, she says I have to get rid of both these bugs first. Even though they were her project, but that's alright. So it'll give us the money for it. But so the project, that it's going to be probably several parts. What I did is I went to jbugs.com and got this wiring harness for a 6869, and I had to follow their video on how to do it, and it's pretty accurate, although I blew a fuse because I touched two wires together after the fact. But anyways, enjoy this series. Alright, one thing to remember in this is the wires coming from the steering column, do not cut those. That does not come in this kit, so just make sure you leave those alone. I believe they do sell another kit that goes with that, but I don't know off the top of my head. And then when taking this stuff out, you go ahead and cut the ones going to the headlights and blinker lights, because the kit comes with those in it. Now the back, I didn't get a very good video of the back. I mentioned, no, I didn't mention, but just keep in mind back there that the wires coming from the distributor going to the coil, just leave those in place. I mistakenly unplugged them, and I couldn't remember which way they went on there, so. Alright, I fed the front part through. Just fed it from here. I'm going to do the back later. But I fed it through here, up to here, and up into the trunk compartment. And what I did to make it easier to thread through is I taped up the ends, so that way we don't jack them up. So it comes up, and now we gotta connect it. I cleaned that up with a wire brush, so it should be good to hook. Alright.